It's time to supercharge your productivity with the world's most powerful AI business laptop. Hi, I'm Kelly Malone for Connection. I'm joined by Amanda Antaki from HP and Jen Smeerud from AMD. And today, we're taking a hands-on look at HP's newest EliteBook, the X G1A. So Amanda and Jen, let's jump right in.
Excellent. So Kelly, from the box standpoint, you can see it's a nice small footprint. So we're really focused on sustainability, 100% recycled packaging that is used to protect this device when it's shipping. When we open the box, you can see it's nice and easy to open. Thanks, Jen. So as you can see, when you open it up, we take our sustainability initiatives beyond the box, right? There's a lot of things that we're doing out there, and you can find out more by scanning the QR code here if you're interested in more of what we're doing there. We have the protective sleeve for our device. Thanks, Kelly.
And are the cables, all the cables are in there?
Yep, so our accessories are just right underneath the box. Jen, do you mind taking this for me?
Sure.
As you guys can see, this is a very nice, thin and light device. It's a 14-inch touchscreen, actually. So you can open it up here. Thank you. We also have the OLED Bright View screen, so you're gonna have vivid colors on your device screen. We also have the Poly Studio camera, the microphone and speakerphone that are all embedded to make you look and sound your best when you're on those virtual calls. This is a Copilot Plus PC. So as you can see here, at the touch of a button, you can prompt Copilot and get ready to use all of those amazing AI apps.
And Jen, what gives the HP EliteBook X G1A the edge over competitors when it comes to performance and efficiency?
I'm so glad you asked. So the HP EliteBook X G1A is powered by our latest Ryzen AI 300 series processor, which brings to market the most powerful NPU. It is a Copilot Plus PC, and Microsoft had set a requirement to be a Copilot Plus PC. The NPU had to reach 40 TOPS, trillion operations per second. This actually hits 55 trillion operations per second. That is HP exclusive. In addition to the powerful performance, you also get all day long battery life.
And when we say all day battery life, whether you're streaming video, whether you're on Teams meetings all day, this PC can withstand that test.
Well, Amanda and Jen, thank you so much for bringing the EliteBook X G1A into Inside Access. With artificial intelligence becoming commonplace, it was great to see HP's most powerful next-gen AI PC in person. And if you'd like to learn more about the HP EliteBook X G1A, visit connection.com/HP.